Stefan Puskas here. Today I'm gonna try to fix my PS4 control. This left stick here is lagging when I am gaming now the Last Guardian I'm playing. So when I push it forward, the character won't walk, so I have to walk like this. Been doing this now for quite some time, so it's very, very frustrating. So I'm gonna try to clean it up without disassembling it at start, for starters. So I'm gonna try to do it with like compressed air. I have a little compressor here. So I'm just blowing, try to take out any dirt that had been perhaps inside here. Okay, so now the compressor stopped. I've blown through all the buttons and the sticks here. Try to clean up everything. Next step, I think that electronic cleaning detergent will perhaps help. This solution is specifically for electronics because it won't conduct electricity, and it will dissolve any fat or something, perhaps dirt that's inside. And it evaporates pretty quickly. Smells a little bit. So let's try it out, the controller. Perhaps wait an hour or two. You see there's plenty of detergent coming out this way. So we'll wait a few hours so all the detergent will evaporate inside. So we'll see. Okay, so welcome back. I've tried to test the controller now after I've cleaned it up. I forgot to say, please don't try it with the power on if you want to test the cleaning tips that I gave before. So I'm in the game now, and before I had to walk like sideways like this for the character to move, but it looks like it's working now. So it was just a little bit of dirt inside. Well, Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye bye.